Giant panda, the funniest bear. Popular for their funny body language and expressions, the most adorable, fluffy, cute, and everybody's favorite black and white bear, pandas are actually termed as giant pandas. The reason simply being their size and diet. Giant pandas spend around 10 to 16 hours a day feeding mainly on bamboo. An adult panda can eat up to 12 kg bamboo in a day. While bamboo counts for 99% of their diet, they can occasionally be seen eating kidney beans, wheat, domestic pig food, small animals, and fish. Giant pandas can grow up to 1.2 meters and 1.5 meters and weigh between 75 kg and 135 kg. Pandas are born blind and only open their eyes 6 to 8 weeks after birth. Another interesting fact is that they're born pink and as small as a pencil, measuring about 15 centimeters. A panda's paw has 5 fingers and an enlarged wrist bone it uses to hold bamboo while eating. They're also amazing tree climbers and can even do headstand. All a panda can do in a day is eat, sleep, poop, and repeat. That's their lifestyle. On an average, a panda poops 40 times a day. The giant panda's black and white colors have 2 functions: camouflage and communication. Its face, neck, belly, and rump is white to help it hide in snowy habitats. The arms and legs are black, helping it to hide in shade. Found in thick bamboo forests high up in the mountains of central China, pandas are an endangered species. It is estimated that only around 1,000 giant pandas remain in the wild.